What does maximum medical improvement mean? I'm Gemma Bunner from Shaw & Bunner Legal. Maximum medical improvement is generally a term that means that your injury has stabilised and it is not going to drastically change, either improve or deteriorate within the next 6 to 12 months. Now, this is relevant in a personal injury claim setting in that it means that your injuries are then able to be assessed. So we can arrange for you to be seen by a medico-legal doctor to determine the level of permanency of your injuries and also to answer some questions around what impact those injuries might have on your ability to work, what treatment you may need in the future, and generally your prognosis in terms of the injury. In some systems, it may also be determinative of your future entitlements, particularly in the New South Wales Workers' Compensation Scheme. So we look at a whole person impairment assessment, and that can mean that it impacts on your entitlement to lump sum compensation for impairment, potentially weekly benefits of compensation ongoing, and your entitlement to medical and treatment expenses. Another thing to keep in mind is that there are certain doctors that must do an assessment of permanent impairment. They need to be trained in relevant guidelines. If you've got any questions about your injuries, whether they have stabilised and what that means in terms of your claim, feel free to reach out to our friendly team at Shaw & Bunner Legal.